I really think that everyone should try their best to get $10,000 invested into crypto during the bear market lows. The reason why I say this, and of course not financial advice, risk capital only, but the upside potential is so big. If we get another bull market cycle, and we're looking at least potentially at a 10x there from the lows, maybe a 30x or 40x or a 50x. $10,000 could turn into $300, $400, $500,000, and that is of course life-changing money for most people. Even if it isn't complete retirement money, it is fantastic seed capital for the next business or whatever other ventures. Okay, at the very worst case, that $10,000, if it's risk capital, all that you can lose is $10,000. It's not that hard to recoup $10,000. You can work some side gigs, you can do some freelancing, some consulting, whatever it is, make that extra 10K, put it in the markets. The downside risk very limited, the upside risk is potentially life-changing. Let me know what you think in the comments down below.